Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up sales tax manually on your Wix website so you can take full control of your regional compliance, accurately collect taxes for your software tutorials, and ensure your professional storefront is legally sound in 2026. First, access the Wix dashboard and tax settings. The first step is navigating to the financial core of your site, where your regional tax rules are defined. In 2026, Wix has kept these manual controls accessible for creators who prefer to set specific rates for their local jurisdictions or unique business structures. Log into your Wix dashboard. Move your cursor to the left sidebar, scroll down to the Settings menu, and click on Tax. This will open the main tax management page. If you haven't set anything up yet, you will see a clean slate ready for your business location data. Before you can sell a single digital guide or technical script, you must define where your business lives in the eyes of the law. Opening the Store Tax menu is the first technical step in moving your site from a simple portfolio to a professional studio business. Next, add a location and select your country. Now you need to specify exactly where in the world you are obligated to collect sales tax. This is usually based on where your home office or physical studio is located. Click the blue Add Location button in the top right. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through and select your country, for example, the United States or Canada. The selection, once the country is selected, click Add. You will see the country appear in your tax regions list. By selecting your country first, you are telling the Wix software which subregions, like states or provinces, to load in the next step, ensuring your technical video sales are mapped to the right legal framework. Next, select specific states or provinces. Most countries don't have a single flat tax rate. Instead, taxes are managed at the state or local level. You need to identify every state where you have a tax nexus or a legal requirement to collect. Click on the country you just added. You will see a list of all states or provinces. Check the boxes next to the ones where you conduct business. If you only have a professional presence in one state, just select that one. If you sell high volumes of market analysis content across the country, you may need to select multiple. Selecting only the states you need keeps your checkout process fast and prevents you from collecting unnecessary taxes from your viewers, which maintains a high-end professional user experience. And that's pretty much it. To set up sales tax manually in 2026, navigate to Settings, Store Tax in your Wix dashboard, and click Add Location. Select your country and states, then click on the state name to manually adjust the tax rate percentage. Save your changes, preview the checkout to ensure the math is correct, and finally hit Publish to take your professional, compliant storefront live. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.